Now, we've talked already on how you can outline your book and how you can leverage your book to become your business, how you can leverage your book then to get speaking engagements. Now, let's talk about using your book to create a consistent message. So when you have your book out there, ready for this? Write this down. You now have all of the content you need for your blogs, your newsletters, your social media content, any promotions that you're doing. You now also have the content for a wide variety of lead magnets, of worksheets. You now have unlimited masterclasses you can do. You can simply pull that content from your book, from the chapters of your book. Why? Because your book was reverse engineered from your high ticket offer, so everything is aligned, which means that every bit of information in your book is directly relevant to your business. And so when you just start taking a paragraph or a point from your book, and that's your social media content, that's a blog post. You can take that and publish it on Medium. You could take that and publish it on so many print vehicles that, again, are going to give you a wider audience. So many people say, when I said, why haven't you written a book? Because I don't have time. Doing your book in an aligned, conscious, strategic way for your business saves you so much time. You're not on the content creation hamster wheel. You don't have to then struggle with what are you going to say on podcasts? What are you going to speak when you're speaking on a stage? All of your content is created and it is aligned. And when your content is aligned, you are the undeniable, undisputable expert on that topic. Your content becomes consistent with you, with your message, with your brand, with your business, with your offer. When you've created this consistent brand identity and this consistent voice, your clients come flocking. People sign up for your events. It's an easy conversion, yeah? Are you seeing how it all fits together? In just a few minutes, you know how to build out your whole business. You have your high ticket offer. You have your book layout. You know how to do the chapters. You know what to include. You know how to leverage it to get on stage. You know how to pull content from that for your social media, your blogs, your newsletters, your appearances, your interviews. So what's stopping you? You have a message to share. You have a service to offer. Your business is aligned with your mission and your values. Someone in the world is waiting for you to serve them. Someone in the world is waiting for you to help them navigate whatever it is that they're navigating. Someone in the world is waiting for the product and service that only you can offer in the way that you can offer it. Someone in the world is waiting for your book, your message, to see you on stage. You can do this. You can do this.